In this video, I will show you how to set up your Facebook tracking inside Skool. So if you're a coach, consultant, or course seller, then this is the perfect video for you. And if you're new here, my name is Vincent and I started running ads around 2016, where I scaled an e-com brand from 50K to 150K a month. And now I'm doing the same thing for e-com brands, coaches, and consultants. So let's just dive straight into it. When you come into Skool, as you can see, as an admin, you are able to click here on settings. Click on settings, you go to plugins, and then here you have the meta pixel tracking. You click on it, and then here you have connect meta pixel. Pretty straightforward, but still, right? But the most important things are here. The server-side events, so that means that the tracking is set up properly. You have 3 events that Skool will push. First one is the page view, is when they visit your about page. That's good for retargeting purposes. Complete registration, that event will trigger if you have a free Skool community. And then your purchase event, that is when somebody joins your paid group. So what you will do now is you will connect on the meta pixel. Here you have your meta pixel ID and your access token. Access token is pretty important for server-side tracking. What we will do now is when you come to your ad account, as you can see, we're running ads already, but you have your events manager, you click on it. And if you already have a data set, it's pretty important, or it's pretty straightforward. Basically, you just copy the data event, as you can see, the data sources, voila. But what we're gonna do now is we'll make a new data set, basically, right? So we'll click on connect data, click on web, next, create a new data set. And here we will call it sales.io paid Skool pixel. You will click on create here, and now Facebook is creating the pixel basically. And then after that is created, this thing will pop up. You will have either partners, conversion API, or set up manually. You just click on set up manually, you click up next, you do meta pixel only. You click here on next. So basically it will ask you to put it in code and blah, 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 but you just go back to the data sources, the paid Skool, and then you go to settings. And here you have your dataset ID. So you just click on the copy ID, you go back to Skool and you paste your meta pixel ID in here. And then you go down. It's pretty important in general to see that there's certain things that will be pushed through. Right? As you see, you have your cookie data, first party data, automatic website matching. Turn this thing on, because then you have your email, phone number, first name, etc. that will be tracked as well. And then you have your conversion API, right? As you can see, you can set it up or do it via partner or anything else. All the other things, I'll just leave it alone. Then here, set up direct integration. You just click here on generate access token. Facebook just generated it. Access token, you click on copy it, boom, you click here on paste it, and you click on connect. That way, the Facebook pixel is connected. I'll show you that later as well. You click on go back, then you go to your overview and your test events, basically. And then what you will do now is you will click on test here on Skool. As you can see, success has been triggered perfectly. You click on going away, you go to your about section. About, as you can see, the pixel here is page view, which is perfect. You click copy, and as you can see, the page view has been pushed through. And that's how easy it is to set up your Facebook meta tracking pixel inside of Skool. Do it because it's super important, so you can make lookalike audiences and audiences, as well as retargeting ads, and know how many people actually join your Skool community. If you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments. If you liked it, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.